Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a fresh trade. This one a 2017 Puma 38RLQ. So we've got a rear living space and a queen slide out on this unit. Set up for couples. You don't get a park model in better condition than this one too. It's coming to us in really great shape from the previous owners. Take a little walk through here. We've got a full size appliance set up in the kitchen. You see the big fridge there, the 4-burner cooktop with the oven underneath. Microwave above, all vented through, good storage, as well as great counter space. Stepping back, of course, here you've got the island. And I know for my home life, I'm saving the best part for the end. You've got a beautiful little hutch over here with your sink plumbed in, high-rise faucet over top of that sink, good storage above and below, so you're able to have that extra bit of counter space for prep too with that insert spot there in the corner to plug in your Keurig and be all set and ready for all the conveniences of camping. On the island side, we do have some more storage over here as well. Take a look at the social space. We've got a freestanding dinette, 4 chairs, 2 beautiful, really nice, great condition on those recliners right across from the TV. So your social space is completed by this couch at the back that's going to fold out to create a bed if you need it. Electric fireplace, good sized TV and a pantry there. Really completes the space. And if you're wondering where you're going to keep your extra blankets for that pull-out couch, there's a spot there right above the couch. Let's take a look at the front. Again, I just love this part. It's probably my favorite part right here. It's got that extra space to put that counter insert in, set it up as a space when you're having friends over to set a few drinks, maybe set out some food. If you're not using this island for that space, you can have all kinds of friends over and still have room to set everything up that you might need. Heading towards the back of the camper, we'll take a look at the nice big bathroom. You've got a sit-down double wide shower with a skylight, so lots of space in there. Good sized sink, medicine cabinet above. Linen closet in the corner over top of the flush. You're all set and ready to go with a good sized bathroom in this unit. Now in the bedroom, you've got a separate entrance here, as you can see to the right. A little dresser here set up. You've got a full closet in the front. Queen bed on the slide with little tables on either side to set a few things on. Storage above. And again, a big closet here in the front as well. This unit, folks, is in great shape. Environmentally perfect. No issues with the construction, the floor, the ceiling, everything's in great shape. Everything's going to work. You know, Leisure Time's going to look after you with our multiple point pre-delivery inspection that we're going to do for you. Come on down and see us, folks. We've got trade season is upon us. So as the campgrounds open up, we've got all kinds of units coming in for you. So lots of choice in the pre-owned selection, as well as some great new units coming in every day. Come down and see us here, folks, at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis, as well as our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton.